Alright, welcome back. So we got all of our parts for that thing to get it running, and hopefully somebody can go take it for a joyride without getting shot at.
Why would you get shot at?
We got our carburetor, oil filter, we got a new spark plug that is ching chong chong, high quality ching chong chong. We got a fuel tank on and off switch, got a fuel filter, and we got a 99 jet right there. So you guys know what jet's going in it already. We're gonna put the 99 in her. So gotta take the old one off, so you guys stay tuned, and we're gonna get that off real quick. So you guys stay tuned right now. You guys stay tuned. Hold a minute, hold a fooey, stand by. All right, so we got the filter changed, that changed. We're draining the oil right now. Look at that, still from the jungle. Yes, I know it wasn't from the jungle, but hey, it'll be all right. Changing the oil now. Once we get the oil change, we gotta get some fuel line hose, and then we should be able to change the spark plug. We already changed the spark plug, and then we should be able to start it. So you guys stay tuned. No, you guys stand by. All right, so we got the carburetor in, spark plug in. All we have to do is fill up it full of oil. So we're gonna go do that. You guys stand by. All right, so here we go. First time turning the gas on, put it on reserve. I see the gas flowing. See gas flowing. Put the choke on. Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. Put the choke in. Stand by. Alright, so for some reason now it does not want to start. This is what it's doing. I'll show you guys. That's all it's doing. So we're gonna get the compression tester and test the compression, because sounds like it has compression, so I don't know what's going on. So we're gonna take the spark plug out. This is the original one. Obviously, hey, I don't know. Maybe we need to light a fire in there and let it burn, heat up that cylinder. That way, maybe the rings will warm up and maybe it'll seal better. I don't know, but it's irritating me. So we gotta find the compression tester. You guys stand by. Alright, so key on. We're gonna do it without the throttle wide open, just see what it looks like. So as you guys see, a little bit above 90 psi. So now we gotta figure out how to throttle wide open. Let's see what she does. Alright, right back to where it was. So I'm gonna check chat whatever that is. I'm gonna check AI and see what AI says it needs to be, so you guys stay tuned. Alright, so we looked it up. It's supposed to be 125 or 128, I think it was what she said. So we're gonna light a fire and get that cylinder head a little bit warmer than what it is right now, and see if the compression actually goes up. So you guys stay tuned. Stand by. Alright, so we're just burning it through, warming up them valves. Maybe the valves need adjusted. I should have done that when I had all this off. Done it once or twice. We're just trying to get it warmed up in there. Stand by. Here we go. Oh! A little too warm. My bad. got the tip a little melted. Stand by. Should we crank her over while she's on fire? Yeah, I don't see nothing that could happen. Oh, son of a biscuit. Whew. Well, we got wet. Oh shoot. Alright, so we got the garden hose now. We lit the four-wheeler on fire already. She got burnt. Alright, so we let it sit there for a minute. We got some starting fluid. So she should fire. Should. She should. She should fire. We let it sit. We put some ATF down it. So hold on. Hold. There we go. We were so close. Come on, Betsy, come on! Come on! She fired up for a minute, and she died. Alright, let's try again. Alright, so we ain't having no luck, so we're gonna take the spark plug out, retest the compression as it's cold. It's sat all night, so it should be really cold. And see what it is. Go from there. I think we're gonna have to dump some ATF down it, let it sit over the week. And I think we're gonna just have to let it sit for a week and see if it fixes itself, or might have to get a new top end for it. So we'll see. So you guys stand by. All right, so still the same amount, right at 90 psi. So we are going to dump ATF down the cylinder, let her sit for over the week, and we'll test her out again after that. But I don't want to tear into that motor. I really don't. I don't want to tear into it. But I guess if I have to, I have to, right? Alright, I gotta go find my funnel. Alright, here we go. Dump some ATF down her. I want that cylinder full. Is it full? I don't know. Do I want to try to crank it over? Probably not. I say that cylinder's full now. Alright, we're going to put a spark plug in it and just let her think about it. We're not going to tighten it a hand too tight. We're just going to tighten it up a little. Just like that. So, now we're going to let it sit. Let it sit for a whole week. Then we'll come back to it and see if she wants to actually work, or if she wants to be a pain in the butt. So I know this ain't the kind of video you guys want to see, but we were up in Lake Erie all weekend. didn't have much to do. Well, we didn't have much of a video besides for trying to get this thing running. So with that being said, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys.
Out here on the Chattahoochee River, a lot about living and a little about love. Out here on the Chattahoochee